Alright, there we go, guys. Here's the updates on the wife mobile, which is the 17 Ford Explorer. We do got the Raptor grill in here, as you guys can see that now. There was kind of hints of that in the past on my other social media. All three lights light up, spliced into the daytime running lights. I actually like that look. We also added the bug deflector on the front. We're going kind of a silver black theme. Then we got the rain guards on the side as well. Those are done. And then the wheels. We got some new wheels and tires on here to spice it up a little bit as well. These are the magnetic wheels from American Muscle. Basically a Mustang wheel. I know they have the same bolt pattern, so I went on there and bought the Mustang wheels, and then we bought the tires separate. That way we have a little bit more of a thicker sidewall, because I know if you buy the wheel and tire package on American Muscle, it'll basically show up with a low profile tire for Mustangs and whatnot. So you want a little bit more sidewall there to, you know, for the SUV here, the family vehicle, to have more give. And they actually turned out pretty nice. So, 255 50R20s, because we did go with 20s. They kind of give it that more of a newer 2020 and up look. But I like them. They turned out really well, as you guys can see here, upside down, but AM, American Muscle. So, I mean, like I said, same bolt pattern, so I knew it was going to work. Turned out really nice. I like the look. I think it turned out good. The rain guard added on to it as well with this Raptor grill. Now she's got a spiced out, looking good. Eventually we'll get around to decking out a few more things. And a few more stuff we got to do. I want to tint the side windows as well eventually here to kind of match up the rest of the windows, because these are still, well, you can see me. But yeah. Oh yeah. Back in with these wheels and tire combo. Looks a little thick. I don't know, it's not on my Shelby level, but I like it. We're gonna get rid of this as well. Update this. I mean, this doesn't even come off. If I detail and clean the car, it does not come off at all. Not a big deal, but we'll get around to that too. Maybe replace this whole thing, or I might go through, sand it down, and paint it. Possibly black to match the rest. I know some people don't like the black wheels. They usually go for like a satin or a nice polish finish. Sometimes chrome. I'm tired of the chrome stage. Some black wheels look good. I think it does look good on this Explorer. I think on my Mustang I'm gonna switch it up. The Shelby has a charcoal color, but that Shelby, I mean, with that charcoal color, really puts it off, considering I have black stripes on that Shelby and kind of a red and black look. Same applies for my truck. But these wheels, I think they're perfect for this car. Not overly done, not aggressive, not crazy. Still keeps that modern look. A little dirty. But hopefully you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like it. They don't really have a whole lot of aftermarket for this, unless it's 3.5 turbo. This is just a 3.5 NA. So I wish I had something different here. Maybe I can just custom make something. We'll see. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Take care. This video isn't long. It's nothing crazy. Just wanted to show you guys an update on this Explorer.